Do you have someone like this around you? Someone who often feels frustrated, helpless, empty, self-blaming, loses interest in everything, and holds a pessimistic attitude towards the future. If you think you or someone around you has these symptoms, then you need to be more attentive. Depression might be knocking. According to the World Health Organization, the global prevalence of depression is 4.4%, which means approximately 1 in every 20 people suffers from depression. In the 21st century, technology advanced significantly, producing numerous products for the benefit of society. However, the root causes of modern diseases, like depression and bipolar disorder, remain unclear. The number of patients afflicted with these conditions continues to rise. Disorders stemming from being depressed are incessant, leaving a scar on humanity. Regardless of the symptoms, looking at depression from an energy perspective shines a light on mental health wellness. In fact, a normal person's energy should be at 100%. However, various life issues create worries, lead to pressure, and generate enormous negative emotions. Everyday people's moods fluctuate, gradually depleting their energy. When pressure accumulates continuously and surpasses the maximum limit a person can bear, negative effects take place in their body, mind, and spirit, further depleting their energy. When the energy drops to below 50%, problems start to rise. The typical symptom is a feeling of being out of sorts and an urge to seek medical attention. After a doctor's diagnosis, mild depression is usually mentioned, and patients are advised to take medication as prescribed to improve their symptoms. Initially, medication seems very effective, providing short-term improvement. However, with time, the effects of the medication gradually diminish. Returning for medical attention usually results in an increase in dosage, or a switch to a stronger medication to achieve some form of balance. Medication uses certain chemical components to control the central nervous system, and the improvement is often temporary. In reality, energy diminishes further as a result, creating a vicious cycle. When a person's energy drops below 25%, the person's body becomes merely a shell, making them prone to experiencing auditory or visual hallucinations. When energy drops below 10%, unfortunate events can occur at any time, and patients often resort to methods like self-harm, carbon monoxide poisoning, or jumping from buildings to end their lives. If we understand the importance of energy to people, then when we notice a deficiency in our energy, we should quickly work on elevating it. For example, we can spend time outdoors in the sunlight, absorbing the immense energy it provides, breathing in fresh air, listening to positive energy music, singing along to Because of the Sun, reciting the 4-phrase gratitude hymn, and using techniques like mindset switching, all of which can help boost energy. These methods for increasing energy are detailed in Master Ted Sun's book, Say No to Depression. In Say No to Depression, Master Ted Sun explains the causes, structures, effects, and solutions of depression, as well as the vital role that energy plays in a person's life. This book provides a comprehensive explanation without holding anything back. If you are currently suffering from the torment and pain of depression, causing those around you to also experience a mix of sadness and misery, please don't wait. We wholeheartedly recommend reading Say No to Depression to quickly identify the root causes of the problem and use the methods from the book to bid farewell to depression and reclaim a joyful life. Countless people with depression worldwide have successfully applied the methods and achieved recovery without relying on medication. They did it, and so can you.